play a game now with my friend up here.
It's going like this.
I'm like, hey, so face me. I know, it's ridiculous. Okay. Can you catch a baseball?
Huh?
Can you catch the baseball when I'm going to toss it to you? Is that okay?
I think so.
Can you shove it? Throw like overhand or underhand? What's better for you?
For the mid. Don't pretend you're pitching at me if it's back.
No.
Just hold it up.
I'm gonna toss it this way. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Good. Toss it back. Okay. I want to focus on tossing it from left hand to right hand, diagonal across your body. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna go here. Okay. Watch yourself. Go ahead.
I throw it back.
Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna switch hands and go the other hand. Is that okay? What does this do when I do this? What is this doing, you think, when I toss the baseball?
Coordinating my eyes basically to see where I'm going to have to move this.
So your body has to instinctively move without even thinking of it, right?
Yeah.
So at that point, it's not a coordinated motion like a weight, it's actually instinct. It fires your brain more, it fires your whole body to move without thinking of it. So it fires that brain more, that brain fires more, more serotonin, more endorphins help your body relax more. Either play with a friend. Okay, I'm going to go this hand to that hand. Okay, and then go back this hand. Good. Okay, I'm going to go this hand over here. Good. Whoa, fast. Hot potato kind of. Hot potato. Or what you can do is take a baseball or whatever you want to use, just with yourself, just go back and forth. Initially, you want to look, make sure it's going back as far as you can. Over time, try to do without looking. At that point, see if over time you can learn that technique, and not learn, but more practice, so your body sees that motion and feels that rhythm, and feels the vibration, feels the tension, feels the impact, the tactile sensation of your hand against the baseball, golf ball, whatever, pillow, whatever you want to use. That's the thing is, can you get your body to move and feel things better so you know that's going to work? Yes?
When you get older, your peripheral vision is not the same. So when you're doing that, hold your arms this way and just keep your head straight and look like you're doing.
So you can train your peripheral vision.
Right.
You don't have to be the average person who doesn't train it.
Making your muscles and your eyes work.
Exactly. So you're making your body move better without even thinking of it.